Okay, let's continue. 2002 Suzuki XL-7 2.7 engine. Got the, I guess they call it a surge tank cover. We took that off. Everything that I'm going to have to get a nut off a bolt, I kind of sprayed with a little PB blaster. I don't think you have to do this. I have like a ram air setup, and I took that, disconnected that from this part of the intake. You probably don't have to really do that, but I'm gonna change that setup anyway. Probably make a video of what that is that I do when I'm done. But I started disconnecting these connectors. Probably didn't have to do that yet, but I was going off the top of my head what's gonna need to be done. So I don't think any real order is necessary, but the first thing we're gonna have to do is take off this front, I guess, surge tank cover. I'll give you the right name for it later, but this is your fuel pressure regulator. That line goes across to here, so of course pull that off so you won't get stuck and caught up. I think this can stay, this can stay. These clamps are kind of strange, but I think everything can pull off together, but we'll see. We're going with a 12 millimeter to get these off, and I'll come back to you when I got them off.